Hey everybody, welcome to Life with Sunny Lee. And we're still cleaning and we're still decluttering. And this week it's going to be a little bit easier. Valentine's Day, President's Day, and Mardi Gras have all passed. So if you decorate for any of those holidays, it's time to take those decorations down, put them away, pack them up for another year, declutter and get rid of the ones that are broken or faded or torn. And if you got cards for Valentine's Day, either display them for a little bit longer and then put them in a memory box, or get rid of them. Flowers, if you got flowers, make sure that you top off the water and discard any that have gone past their prime. Candy, if you got candy, now's the time to share it with your family so that you can get rid of it and get it out of the house so you don't gain a few pounds extra. No one wants to gain extra weight. And those are the main things that we're going to do as far as working. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go through coupons and get rid of those and organize those. Now, most people nowadays don't use paper coupons, but every once in a while you'll get them, like for fast food places or for special mail-in things like for dog food and stuff like that. So if you have paper coupons, make sure that you use them on time, and if they're expired, get rid of them. A lot of the coupons nowadays are digital, and that leads us to the little tags, those loyalty cards that you carry around and you forget to put them in your purse, or you have them at the bottom of your purse and you're in line and you don't have time to hunt for them, you can't find them, and there's people behind you, and you just say forget it. So what you can do, and I just found this out, is that you can use your phone to take a picture of them and use those on your phone, put them in a folder. Google has a Google Wallet that has a place for your pay, for your credit card, has a place for loyalty cards, it has a place for gift cards. You can use that and store them all on your phone, and then you don't have to carry those little tags around with you to the store. You can just pull up their wallet, go to loyalty cards, and there they are. It really helps to organize your purse a little bit more, or your wallet. You can get rid of a lot of those cards because they're on the phone. So we're going to do that this week. We're going to take care of the coupons this week, and we're going to take care of the decorations, get those down. I'm changing mine out to Easter. And if you are planting a garden, excuse me, I have a cold. If you're planting a garden this year, now's the time to start your annual flowers that require light to germinate. I will be starting my petunias and my impatiens this week. Also, onions seeds, leek seeds. You can start your broccoli and your cabbages and your spinach and your lettuce and your Swiss chard. Can all be started this coming week. So that is what we're doing this week. Recap: we're taking care of the coupons, we're taking care of the loyalty cards, we're taking care of the decorations, we're changing those out for Easter, and we're starting our flower seeds and some of our long-term vegetable seeds. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.